everybody, how are all of you doing? It is Maria Hidos, and holy shit, I have not made a video in forever. Um, Let me briefly explain to you guys why I haven't made a video. Only because school has kept me uh, very busy, and I literally just don't have time to didn't have time to go to Aurora, so I don't know, guys. I don't know about this plane spotting and if I'm gonna um, you know, if I'm gonna do it because I'm actually coming to the end of my class, believe it or not. I still have finals I need to go through with my classes, and yeah, I just don't have time. I'm working a lot now. I'm working full time. I'm busy with school. I'm busy with family, and I just don't have that time I used to have in the past. And I'm sorry to you guys, but maybe over the summer I can consider going and making spotting videos for you guys. Um, yeah, we'll have to see about that. So if you're a plane spotting fan, again, I'm really sorry about that. I've just been super busy. But anyways, let's actually go into this video. So this is a product unboxing kind of video, and yeah, it's not a setup kind of video. It's more of an unboxing. So in this video, as you can tell by the title down below, we are going to be unboxing Insignia wireless charging pad for the iPhone 8. Um, yeah, actually, believe it or not, guys, I only paid $7 for this. I didn't even pay much because, yeah, I had a gift card for trading in one of my old devices, um, and basically pretty much covered almost the whole thing. Almost, not quite, but it pretty much covered it up, guys. And yeah, I was able to get this with it, which I will use for because usually these wireless pads are a lot of money. Got it from Best Buy. It's a 5, can you guys tell? It's like a 5 watt kind of thing that comes with a cable and even a wall charger. So what I was thinking, guys, is get to I can probably go to Target and get a really cheap charger. They have one for like $10 at Target. I'm thinking about getting two. This one's gonna be my room. I'm gonna be charging it every night. Charging this puppy up, and the other one is just gonna be downstairs in my other desk in the family room, so I can just if I need to charge my phone elsewhere or something, then yeah, it's just available there. So I'm thinking about doing that in the near future to come. So yeah. But anyways, this is the Insignia wireless charging pads again. Um, like I said, I've never used the wireless charger. I've always been using, you know, this, and I finally decided to get wireless. And like I said, I will still carry this around, like if I go to work or something, and usually I'm good about charging my phone. But I actually have a car charger, I have a juice pack, and now I have um, a Apple Wall charger, which is nice. But yeah, this is my wireless Insignia charging pad. So let's get started instead of talking. So yeah, let's get this thing open. Let me just turn the computer down because it's just easier. Okay, sorry, my computer is literally charging right now. So, I'm sorry, guys. Careful opening the box. Alright, and here it comes, guys. Wow, this is going to be... There's nothing else in the box. There you go. And basically, it comes with the actual thing. This is like, wow, this thing smells nice. But yeah, this is just like a fan thing because it's a fast charger and stuff like that. Here's the part that like a USB cord for it, and then this is like the wall charger. This actually will plug into my multiple outlets, and I will show you guys like tomorrow in another separate video. I'll use the iPhone 8, but yeah, here's the wall charger. And here's the thing, you just connect the USB to it, like that. And sorry, because it has like little plastic on it, and I want to make sure it's out. There you go. So here it is, brand new. And then you take this and basically you connect it to that. So let's do that. Sorry guys, because I'm trying to do this. There we go. Perfect. Right on top of my phone. Seriously, the garbage ends up. So yeah, we'll undo this. Connect this. Okay, so basically it connects like that. And then you want to take your wireless charger and just connect it. Like there's like, can you guys tell that there's a little port over here? You want to plug it into the port. Hold on, make sure I connect it right. Okay, so basically it connects the port like this. Okay, so basically you take the device and you just, like that, basically, and it literally just stays. But obviously it's not plugged in. But yeah, literally that's it. So basically that's it, guys. It also comes with like instructions, like about warnings, I guess, which I'll probably end up holding on to for a little bit. But yeah, this is probably one of the shortest videos I ever made. So. Sorry, I'm trying to put this back. And yeah, that's literally it, guys. So tonight is going to be my first night. I'm actually going to charge it wirelessly, so I hope it works out for me. It is a 5 watt, so I might charge it a little slow, but better safe than sorry. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So like I said, it's just easier for me, like, you know, I don't know if I'm looking at my phone late at night and like, yeah, I could just throw it on the wireless charger and be done. So I just think it's pretty cool that it has like this little grip thing. Keeps the phone in place. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And again, I do apologize if this video is like kind of weird. But yeah, literally an unboxing kind of video. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. So like I said, I don't know when the next YouTube video is going to be. I'm also thinking about getting some AirPods for this. So maybe if I get AirPods, I might unbox them in this YouTube channel as well. Yeah, I'm gonna hope to do a plane spotting, guys. Like I said, I just don't have that time I used to have. But I will try the best I can to, like, you know, to make the spotting video as soon as possible. So anyways, with that being said, I better get going. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. So tomorrow, or maybe later, I'll show you guys, or maybe tomorrow, how my first night went with a wireless charger. I'll let you guys know how it went. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, talk to you guys soon. Peace.